Brian, can I see that paper for a sec? Huh. That's odd. I thought that would be big news.
You thought what would be big news?
Well, there seems to be an absence of a certain ornithological piece. A headline regarding mass awareness of a certain avian variety.
What are you talking about?
Oh, have you not heard? It was my understanding that everyone had heard.
Heard what? Brian, don't!
Well, a bird, bird, bird. The bird's a word, well, a bird, bird, bird. The bird's a word, well, a bird, bird, bird. The bird's a word, well, a bird, bird, bird. The bird's a word, Brian, don't you know about the bird? Well, Peter's gonna tell you about the bird, well, a bird, bird. The bird's a word, well, a bird. Surfing!
Oh my God, Peter, are you all right?
Papa uma mau mau, 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 uma mau mau, papa uma mau mau, papa uma mau mau, papa uma mau mau, papa.
Friendly down. 3 remaining.
Oh, nice ace, baby. Nice ace.
Dead men tell no tales. Contract fulfilled. Transferring crypto funds now.